To get started, first, type your search. I will search for PlayStation 5. Next, press on the extension. You have many different functions you can use. I will use extract listings. As you can see, we extracted the items in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. As you can see, the more we scroll down, the more we extract. Now, to export this, press Add to Export List. Then, press on the extension again. Then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting it, here is all the information we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say I want to get the details of this item. First, let's press on it. Then, let's press on the extension. As you can see, Extract Listing Details is now available. Let's press on that. Now, let's export this. Let's press Add to Export List. Then, press on the extension again. Then press Export. As you can see, here is all the information we extracted about the item.